Welcome back, everyone. It's time to test your new skills with a project. So, you're going to be building a model that will attempt to predict whether or not someone will pay back their loan based off historical information. You have three options for this project. Either go completely solo, an exercise guide notebook, or code along with the solution lectures. Let's quickly review your three options. Your first option is to simply read the introduction in the exercise notebook and then proceed with your own methods to build a predictive model. You may even be able to build a predictive model that actually outperforms our guided solution. So feel free that if you feel very confident with the material that we've already presented for you, to just take your own stab at the project and see what you can come up with. The second option is to follow along with the exercise guide notebook. So we've written out a notebook with step-by-step tasks for you to complete in order to guide you through building a predictive model. And then finally, the third option is to simply code along with the solutions lecture. So you can skip the next overview lecture and simply treat this project as a large code along project. So you can code along with us as we guide you through our solution video for the project. Feel free to choose any of these three options depending on how comfortable you felt with the previous material we've gone over. Keep in mind, this is a very large project, and to reflect a realistic situation, we actually spend a lot of time performing feature engineering and preparing and analyzing our data for our model. So let's explore the project guide notebook in the next lecture. I'll see you there.